Hey everybody, today we're drawing a monster truck, so it's going to be heaps of fun. I've been looking forward to this one for ages because I think monster trucks are really cool, and we'll draw them with massive wheels today, so it'll look really good. But make sure to stick around until the end and follow along with me because I got a bonus trick for you that you can put on at the very end and it'll make it look really cool. So let's go and get started. Alright, so for our monster truck today, we'll be using a cup to do the outline for the wheels because they're really big and really round. So by using a cup, we can use it as a template and get them really nice and round and really big. So let's grab our marker and then we can put the cup just under halfway down on one side somewhere and just trace carefully around the outside, just like this, and there. And then we've got this super nice, perfect circle. That's one wheel. Now let's bring it back a little bit. Don't go too far back because we want them quite close together because they're really big. So basically, you just do what you did on the other side over on this side. Alright, there we go. Once you've done that, we can add the nice big chunks onto the tyres. I really like these. These always make it look really tough. So how we do this, do a diagonal line, then a straight line on top of that, and then you can do a straight line down. And then diagonal, straight, diagonal, straight. I'll speed this part up because otherwise it'd take forever. But just remember to pause it whenever you need to, and I'll slow it back down once we've finished, and we'll start doing the other steps. Alright, and then once we've finished drawing the outside, we can take a smaller cup for a template to trace around and put it right in the center of the tire or the wheel, and we'll just trace another line. And just take your time to get it really nice and round and right in the center. Alright. Yeah. Alright. Once you've done that side, then we can come and do this side. Alright, that's really cool. That looks so good already, and we're not even done on the wheels yet. Next, what we'll do is draw an even smaller circle in the center of the wheels, and then around that circle you can do shapes like this so they can make the arches on the wheels. Oh, whoops, there, and this will just help it look really good there. All right, and then we'll do the same thing over here, there. Probably roughly around like 5 of these you would do. Somewhere around there. It doesn't matter if you don't. Oh, this one's got 4. Alright, so watch closely for this part. Now we're going to draw the body of the monster truck. So off the front wheel, you can draw a little line. And then don't connect it to the wheel. Make sure you don't do that. And then bring it up. A curve at the top. So it's sort of a box shape. Then you can curve it down again. And then in the middle, do a curve and a straight line. And then we can curve it up again, back, and then curve it down. And then a little curve off the back. Now let's draw the back of the monster truck. So this will make it look really cool. So come to the back here, and we'll just do a straight line up like this. And then when you get to the top, you can curve it quite sharply in and just do a straight line back like this, just to in line with the wheel arch. All right, that's really cool. Now let's draw the back of the cab for the dump truck, the monster truck. Straight line up like this, and then we can do a straight line forwards. A little bit there, good. All right, around there, just past halfway on the wheel here, and then you can do the windscreen You could do this really straight down, or you could do it on an angle. I'm going to do mine on a little angle like this. Alright, and now let's draw the bonnet. So we can do a straight line. Or you know what, let's do a little bit of a curve. Oh, that's tough. That's tough. Alright, curve it down. And then we can just connect it to this bottom line down here. That is already looking really cool, I reckon. Alright, so now we can draw the stuff on the inside. I don't know what you call it. But basically, just copy what I do. Diagonal line down and then trace along. Comes up here. And then down. Back up. Down. And diagonal line back up like that. This will make a bit more sense when we colour in later. And then draw straight line down and a straight line down. Now, we'll draw this thing. It sort of connects both the wheels together. So, underneath the car, do a little box shape like this, like a rectangle. There, like that. And then you can draw off either side 2 straight parallel lines going onto the wheels. So then, like this, on a slight angle. There. And then, on the top, let's draw the suspension. This is always fun. Basically, just do a straight line, 2 straight lines like this. 1, 2. And then 1, 2. And then we can put like suspension coils around that. So then you sort of do these diagonal lines like this. And then you would do more here, there. Something like that. And then maybe another one up there. Alright. 1, 2, 3. Let's draw the front lights and then the windscreen in bits and pieces. So for the front light, basically do a straight line down, and then you can do a diagonal line to the front, and that makes it look tough as. Alright, and then we'll colour that in a different colour later. Then we can draw the back lights. So come to the back, 2 straight lines like this, like a rectangle again or a square. Alright, and then we can come to the front. Let's draw a bull bar. So you go off a little bit, curve it up, and it just follows the line of the car. And then you can just curve it back onto the car like that. Alright, it's time to draw a windscreen. So let's come to the front and basically do a straight line down that follows the line of the windscreen. And then we can do a straight line back, like this. And then just straight line up to the roof and connect it. So it should look something like that. Alright, and then for the back, you can do another little one. You can do this one square. There, like that. Just a square. Solid old square. Alright, and then do a tiny little rectangle off the front of the car here. We'll colour all these in later, and it'll look really cool. Alright, let's add some cool details now before we colour. So, come to the front, and what we can, come back a little bit. Let's add some flames. This will make it look really cool. Just some little curvy shapes, something like this. And then that'll look really cool later when we colour in. Alright, and then, just draw this line all the way to the front, and we can colour this whole front area in orange or something. Maybe I'll add one more in there. Last thing, we'll just draw a little line from the front of the car to the wheel, and then in the back, another little line. Just a curvy one like this. And then later we can colour that in black, and it'll look like the part of the car on the back. Alright, so we are ready to colour. I'll speed this part up, just pause it whenever you need to, and stick around for the bonus bit at the end. Alright guys, guys, so we finished colouring and I reckon that looks super good. But there's one more thing to do before we're finished, and that is the bonus tip and trick. This is going to make the truck look like an actual proper truck. So draw a little line like this out from the side of the top of the truck. And then you can go, oh, let's go a bit further. And then we'll go straight down like this. And then off the top of that line, do a little curve shape like this. And then we'll do another curve shape. There. And then finish it off. And then we can add little circles all over this fatter part. And it'll make it look really cool. This is basically the exhaust. So this is going to make it, this makes it look really, really cool. We can colour that in grey in a minute if you want. But next, we can add just draw quick straight lines like this. And then you can do some little smoky bits like that. Oh, that looks so good. That looks cool. Here, you know what? Let's just make these a little bit longer. If you finish it quickly, it makes it even better because it looks like it's coming out really fast. Well, we're all done now, guys. We've finished drawing our truck. Well, thanks for drawing with me today, guys, because I had heaps of fun, and I hope you did too, and I'm sure your drawings looked really good in the end. And I always love seeing your art, so please take a photo and send it to me at easylittledrawings@gmail.com. That's my email address. Just make sure to ask your parents first before you do that. I think they looked really good in the end, and I'll see you in the next video.